Hello student, today my topic is Bauhaus School. Subject is Contemporary of Architecture, Module 3.2. What is Bauhaus building? Bauhaus building founded in 1990. An architect was Walter Gropius and location is Dessau, Germany. It is the first architectural school of building which is constructed by the Weimar, Germany, and architect was Walter Gropius. The spirit and teaching of the institution, it can be said to have the extended throughout the world. After Chicago School, it is a second school of architecture where the teaching of architecture throughout the world. With the move from the Weimar to Dessau, the Bauhaus had the opportunity to create a building which would provide the optimal working condition to develop its own design, which was taken forward by either very own Walter Gropius and inaugurated on the 4th December 1926, rapidly become and the iron of the beginning of the modernism movement. My second slide show the total elevations of the Bauhaus School in Germany and the bird's eye view at the top of the view of the Bauhaus School. The school like a U and L-shaped combination and total building a modular structure and structure combined with steel and glass with concrete volume. And the unified structure, there is some massing which is created Gropius its own concept and totally differ from the Chicago School. Previously we will see the Chicago School. The building was totally designed in the form of skyscraper or the high-rise building. There is no massing, look like a one modular structure. But at first time, Gropius created a concrete massing in this building, and building look like the different shape or the did look like a different form. An entire building have the boxes window, entire the horizontal bay window uses almost the concept of Chicago School, and sometimes the educational building, office building and others workshop building, there have the open 2-story porch, hostel school block and total glazing concept which is created in the front facade of the official building. In my first slide, I will show some quote about the Gropius. Gropius says, the architect, sculptor and the painter, we all must return to the manual labor. Let us establish therefore the new confident of artisan, free from an arrogance with the divide the class from another, and which seeks to erect the insurmountable barrier between the craftsman pupil and the artist. We long for, we develop together with construct a new building for the future which will accommodate everything, architecture, sculpture and painting in one entity, and which will rise to the sky by the hand of the million artists, a crystal clear symbol of a new faith which has arrived. So, at first time in Germany, the Bauhaus shows how to develop a structure without the skyscraper but using the glazing form and use the entire building with a symbolic form. And this is the clear crystal symbol for the new faith which is developed by the Gropius. At first we mention the structure. The structure which is made by the building, a steel and the concrete and frame of the building ensure that the unity of the complex and allow for the existence the three different facets built with the very innovative thought and frugal materials such as the glass. The static construction is not, as it may seem, completely in reinforced concrete as only in frame. The surface in between the mostly made of the brick as on the floor. So, The entire structure will compile with the steel and concrete and form of a frame of the building, which is first time used after the America in Chicago School of Architecture. Then it is used in the Bauhaus and the static construction, and it is completely reinforced concrete construction. And surface, mostly the surface are made of the beam and glasses at the entire structure. My next slide show the plan and elevation and section and site plan of the total building. Here is the green landscape in the entire site of the plot, and somehow we see the color is might be used for the grey and white combination. What is the material used in this building? The modernist movement enjoyed the possibility of the new industrial material such as reinforced concrete, rolled steel structure and large scale glass panels. Along with this, the new material which is used in the facade also have the typical smooth, which is called the white plaster, and they have the base of rough plaster with grey color. This base has an optical effect as it gives us the impressions of the building being much lighter. Bridge elements, as well as connecting the distinct wing, it led to the office, groupias, private workshop and club or the recreation area. The bridge expressed the idea of the architecture freed from the ground, which does not impede the urban circulation. The next topic is vestibule. The vestibule is the important part of this building. If you show the plan, the going up the half of the level will arrive in the lobby. It is very interesting space for its component element. Now, in the lobby, it is a very important characteristics features of this Bauhaus, that walking the corridor or the stair, there are almost always the various possibilities for where we go. As a result of which the different section of the building, you achieve a certain correspondence area. Ascending the stair or from the stair, you can reach the lobby, and cannot only reach the workshop and administration, also you reach the larger classroom and through the window located either side of the stair, and every of steps you can see the new perspective of the interior, and it is the very interesting and important part of this building. But above all, the exterior also so impressive. In all the facade of the workshop use the entire glazing framework with glass. Now see the lobby and staircases. Staircases were designed in three parts. The part in the middle, widest, and the lower to the upper floor, and narrower lateral the descend the level. In front of the staircases, there is the large floor to ceiling window, which is as wide as the stair. This ceiling window used for the much more lighting, and it is the lighting for decorations also, and it is used by the it is called the bifurcated stair.